Hi guys, this is Yogi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about why you are not seeing results from your juicing journey or fitness journey. Number one, because you maybe don't have a plan of action. Plan of action is so important when it comes to doing anything new in your life. But as it relates to juicing and fitness, you want to make sure you have something, a program in place that's going to work around your schedule. That way you see it and you can execute on it. Number two, you want to be consistent. We all hear it. Consistency is the key in anything that you do. You have to create consistency when it comes to juicing and fitness, whether that's daily or 3 times a week or 4 times a week, but you want to stick to that so that in the end you can see those long-lasting results. So be consistent. It's the key. Number three, mindset. We hear it. It is so important to have a very positive mindset as it relates to juicing and fitness, because that's what's going to get you your results. You have to want it. You have to visualize the end results. You have to visualize how you're going to feel. Your health is going to feel better. Your energy is going to be skyrocketed. And then once you have that mindset, you will absolutely see results. So my top 3 are going to be create a plan of action, create consistency, and number 3, get that mindset and be positive so that you can see the best results as it relates to juicing and your fitness. So keep subscribing to my YouTube channel and like and comment.